Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Before the war changed the world, there was a car that defined pre-war American elegance and innovation. Meet the 1941 DeSoto Coupe, a rare gem from Chrysler's golden age. Let's dive into its stunning design, refined interior, and surprisingly capable performance. Exterior. At first glance, the 1941 DeSoto Coupe stands out with its bold, streamlined design. This was the last full model year before America entered World War II, and Chrysler made it count. The iconic waterfall grille, made up of vertical chrome bars, dominates the front. Those pop-up headlights. They were DeSoto's signature touch, giving the car a futuristic look that was way ahead of its time. Sweeping fenders blend into the body, and the two-door coupe body style is marked by graceful curves and flowing chrome trim. With a 121.5-inch wheelbase, the car has an elongated, commanding road presence that turns heads even today. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that speaks the language of 1940s luxury. While materials lean practical due to the economic climate, the craftsmanship is undeniable. The dashboard is pure Art Deco, with symmetrical design in gleaming chrome and bakelite accents. The bench seats, often upholstered in mohair or durable woven fabric, are surprisingly comfortable. A large steering wheel with the DeSoto emblem sits proudly at the center of the cockpit. Gauges are analog, displaying speed, fuel level, oil pressure, amperage, and temperature in a clear, no-nonsense layout. Everything inside the 1941 DeSoto Coupe is analog, mechanical, and refreshingly tactile. There's a warmth to it you won't find in today's digital world. Performance. Under the hood, the DeSoto came with a 3.6-liter inline-six engine producing around 100 horsepower. That might not sound like much today, but in 1941, it was more than enough to cruise comfortably down the open highway. This engine, a 236.7 cubic inch flathead 6, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, also featured Chrysler's innovative fluid drive system. This semi-automatic setup allowed drivers to stop and start without using the clutch every time. It made for smoother acceleration and less fatigue on long drives. With a top speed of about 80 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time around 20 seconds, the DeSoto wasn't built for racing, it was built for the journey. The ride is soft thanks to plush suspension, and steering is light but responsive. Braking, however, requires planning. Mechanical brakes of the era don't stop on a dime like today's systems. Driving a 41 DeSoto today is less about speed and more about the experience. The hum of the engine, the feel of the road, it's automotive nostalgia in motion. The 1941 DeSoto Coupe may not be the most famous pre-war American car, but it represents an era of innovation and optimism. From its stylish exterior to its clever engineering, it's a time capsule on wheels. If you're a fan of classic American design or looking to restore a piece of forgotten history, the DeSoto deserves a second look. It's more than a car, it's a reminder of the artistry and ambition of a bygone age. Like what you saw? Subscribe for more classic car spotlights, restoration tips, and vintage automotive history.